folks, welcome to my channel. I am Nishta Agarwal. Well, SpiceJet is conducting the cabin crew selection drive on multiple dates. So the questions are, when is the interview? Where is the interview venue? How many rounds will be there? How can you apply? What should you carry along? How should you dress up? And this is the question that you guys ask the most. Is it mandatory to join Spice Star Academy to become a cabin crew at SpiceJet? Well, fasten your seatbelts as I'll be answering all your questions in this video. Let's go.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for the notifications.
These are walk-in interviews and you do not have to apply anywhere. So you just have to prepare, get ready, collect all your documents and appear in this interview. Let's check the interview dates first. 2nd March, 9th March, 16th March, 23rd March and 30th March. Time is 10 AM to 2 PM. Venue: Spice Star Academy, SpiceJet Limited, Building 39, Sector 18, Gurugram. So this is the interview venue. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Educational qualification: higher secondary certificate. That means 10 plus 2, 12 पास सर्टिफिकेट आपके पास होना चाहिए. अगर आपका रिजल्ट भी अभी आने वाला है then also you can apply. नेक्स्ट इज नेशनैलिटी, दैट इज इंडियन, मतलब आपके पास इंडियन पासपोर्ट होना चाहिए. देन वी हैव मिनिमम एज 17 ईयर्स 9 मंथ्स टिल 27 ईयर्स. सो अगर आप 18 ईयर्स से कम के भी हैं 3 मंथ्स देन ऑल्सो यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस पोजिशन. मिनिमम एज till when you can apply is 27 years. Minimum height for girls is 155 centimeters and for boys is 173 centimeters. Yes, both girls and boys can apply for this position. Then we have weight, of course according to the BMI. Then we have language, fluency in Hindi and English. So दोनों ही languages में आपकी command अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Then we have appearance, clear complexion with no tattoos, marks, scars, blemishes on any visible part of the body. You guys ask a lot about tattoos, scars, marks. So here it is clearly mentioned if it is visible then you are not eligible. But I'd say you can try if you want to. You can try to conceal your marks and scars and then you can appear in the interview if you want to. Right, then we have each student must have successfully completed their higher secondary from a recognized board. Students who are awaiting their higher secondary results may also appear. As they'll require all the documents, if you fail to produce documents in some time, let's say your result is awaited, in future if you fail to produce the document then they'll cancel your candidature. So जो भी आपकी फीस भी वहाँ पर गई होगी they can also do that कि वो आपको refund ना करें वो फीस. Okay, then we have candidates need to clear class 2 medical test by a certified Aero Medical Center. As we all know, they all conduct medical tests as well. They have also mentioned that Spice Star Academy is fair and transparent in shortlisting of a candidate. दिस मीन्स कि अगर आप एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में फिट बैठते हैं तभी वो आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट करेंगे, आगे कंडक्ट करेंगे आपका इंटरव्यू, अदरवाइज आपको रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट इज डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट यू मस्ट कैरी अलॉन्ग विद फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर डे. A copy of your resume along with one full length photograph and one passport size photograph in formal attire. But here I recommend you should also carry your other documents like your passing certificate, your ID proof, right? So you must carry those as well, and do not just keep one copy of your resume, carry 2 to 3 copies of your resume at least. You must also carry a soft copy. Okay, then we have attire, how you must dress up. So for girls it is mentioned आपको हाफ स्लीव शर्ट पहननी है, नी लेंथ स्कर्ट पहननी है along with blazer और जैकेट as per the weather conditions, stockings and closed footwear with appropriate makeup. Stockings यहाँ पर आपको skin color stockings पहननी है. I'd say you should carry black color stockings as well. Okay, then we have for boys business suit with shirt and tie, clean shaven and neatly groomed. Let's move on to our next segment, that is how many rounds will be there. First round will be HR round. In this round, first your resumes will be collected and then you will be called in a group of 8 to 10 candidates. You will be asked a particular question, most probably tell me something about yourself. Based on your answer, you will be judged, and if you get selected, you will proceed for the next round. This second round will be conducted next day, most probably. If they do not have that much time the same day, then they'll call you the next day. Right, so here the second round will be basic English written test. 3 sections will be there: jumbled words, fill in the blanks, and essay writing. You will be allotted time as well to complete this test. Based on your answers, again, you will get rejected or selected. Okay, and then you will get a call, confirmation call, that you have been selected for the next round, third round. Right, so third round most probably will be after 2 to 3 days. So third round will be conducted by human resource team or management team, and this round is going to be intense. They might ask you many questions and they will surely cross question you a lot. They might cut you in between and ask you several questions. Right, so questions can be, tell me something about yourself, and why do you want to join SpiceJet? What do you understand by customer service? Situation-based questions can also be there. Like, if a passenger is rude to you, how will you handle that situation? Or if a passenger is misbehaving with a cabin crew, how will you handle that particular situation? Right, so you must be prepared. Then they might ask you about your routine and how will you manage the schedule, as they do not have any particular routine, right, in this job. So it is a difficult job. If you get selected in this round as well, then you will be called again for the next round, that is medical test round. Yeah, so after that, again you will receive a confirmation mail that yes, you have been selected for this particular position. Right, now comes the question, if joining Spice Star Academy is mandatory to become a cabin crew at SpiceJet. The answer is yes, it is compulsory. So अगर आपने 12th क्लास पास की है देन ऑल्सो आपको स्पाइस स्टार अकेडमी ज्वाइन करनी पड़ेगी. अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट की है तब भी आपको पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के लिए ये अकेडमी ज्वाइन करनी ही पड़ेगी अगर आपको स्पाइस जेट में कैबिन क्रू बनना है तो. सो इनका कोलैबोरेशन है एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ. सो दे हैव ड्यूल डिग्री काइंड ऑफ अ कोर्स, एंड इस कोर्स की फीस है 3 to 4 lakhs अप्रॉक्स. सो क्या होता है, जैसे आप एनरोल करते हैं कोर्स में, आपकी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं वो, जो कि 6 months के लिए होती है. देन यू स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग विद स्पाइस जेट, एंड फ्लाई करते करते ही आप अपनी स्टडीज़ कंटिन्यू रखते हैं. डिस्टेंस से वो चलती रहती है और आपको एक स्टाइपेंड भी वो देते हैं, बट स्टाइपेंड इज़ वेरी लेस. इट विल बी अप्रॉक्स 7 or 8,000. ओके, एंड सैलरी एज यू ऑल नो, स्टार्टिंग सैलरी कितनी होती है, यूजुअली इट विल बी लाइक 35,000 according to your flying hours. One more thing, they guarantee placement. वो जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं तब भी पूरा चेक कर लेते हैं कि आप एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में फिट हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं. अगर नहीं हो रहे हैं तो वो आपको रिजेक्ट कर देंगे, वैसे ही फोर्सिंगली आपको आगे लेकर नहीं जाएंगे. बट अगैन अगर आप किसी और कंपनी को ज्वाइन करते हैं, किसी और एयरलाइंस को ज्वाइन करते हैं, तो आपको इतना ज़्यादा अमाउंट नहीं पे करना पड़ता. बट येस, वो ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, कोर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, सो या दे आर चार्जिंग एज वेल. So if you are comfortable with that, you can proceed. Otherwise, you can go ahead with other airlines as well. As freshers, we all must work on ourselves. So yeah, this was all about how you can apply for this position, about the dates, venue, and your questions, of course. And yeah, if you have any other doubt, then you can mention it in the comment box. And further, I have created another page, another Instagram page that is related to lifestyle and vlogging. So yeah, I'll be starting it soon. As soon as I get a few followers on that page, I'll start posting stuff. So if you are interested, you can follow me there, and the link is in description box. So yeah, all the very best for this interview and all the other interviews, as other airlines are also hiring like Vistara, Indigo, and SpiceJet and AirAsia. Many airlines are hiring in the month of March. So yeah, all the very best. Take care. Cheers to life.